The E200 Pro Spot. The E200 is the answer to all your spotting needs. CSA approved, lightweight, durable, and powerful, the E200 is the perfect machine for the professional cleaner doing all kinds of spot removal. With a single 2-stage vac motor producing 85 inches of water lift and a 55 psi solution pump, its compact design weighing only 18 pounds will make it easy to take this machine wherever you need to go. Some of the great features of the machine are 2-gallon freshwater and recovery tank, 96-inch long Haida hose with tool, a 1.16 horsepower 2-stage vac motor, translucent removable recovery tank is easily removed for emptying, and a full level indicator line. All in a rotor mold housing with an easy to carry handle and cord wrap. To start using the machine, loosen the latches on the ends of the machine and remove the recovery tank from the solution tank. Pour in fresh, clean, warm to hot water in the solution tank. Water should not exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the recovery tank back onto the solution tank, securing it using the latches on the ends of the machine. Plug the machine into a 15 amp circuit. Connect the Haida hose to the back hose port on the front of the machine. Connect the solution hose to the quick connect on the front of the machine. Press the switch to the on position that controls both the vac motor and the solution pump. You are now ready to clean. When you have finished cleaning or the recovery tank is full, turn off the machine by switching the switch to the off position. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the machine. Disconnect the solution hose from the machine. Unfasten the latches at the end of the machine and remove the recovery tank. Empty the recovery tank into a pail and dispose at an approved disposal site, such as a toilet. Place the empty recovery tank back onto the solution tank and fasten the latches to secure the recovery tank to the solution tank. Then wrap the cord on the convenient cord holder built into the handle. The E200 Pro Spotting Machine, the right size for the right job.